Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram's brand new instance feature. Okay, this is a new feature on Instagram, guys. If you haven't unlocked this feature, I would like to recommend you to update your Instagram application. Alright, and now I have already opened my Instagram application, and after you open it, you can go to your DM inbox right here. This is my Instagram direct messages, and at the bottom right corner you will see a small stack icon called instance. This one, tap on it, and then your camera will open up instantly like this, and you can take a photo in real time. And remember guys that you cannot upload photos from your gallery, and you also cannot heavily edit the image because this feature is made for quick and authentic moment. Okay, and before you take your photo, you can choose who you want to send it to right here. You can choose friends or close friends. I'm gonna select my close friend. Okay, then you're going to take a photo like this, and yeah, after you take the photo will disappear automatically, and once your friend opens the photo, it disappears automatically, similar to the Snapchat. And Instagram also blocks screenshots and screen recording, for instance, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to open up my photo, guys, the photo that we have just taken using Instant. If you want to see the photo, you can click on this icon, and this is the photo I've sent to the Instant. Okay, and you can also react to instance, guys, reply in DMs, and even unsend the photo before someone's open it. If you want to unsend the photo, you just need to go back to Instant and click on this history menu. Select your photo, click on this three dots icon on the top right. Then you're going to delete the Instant. Okay, just select this, and let me take another photo. Okay, and I'm going to click on this menu, and you can view your history right here. This is only visible to you, and you cannot see who views your instant unless they react to it. And okay guys, that's how you can use instant feature in Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.